This is an interesting geometrical puzzle. Main problem here is POQ. O is the center of the circle. Here are two uh, concentric circles. Smaller part is here, 1/4 of the smaller circle, and this portion is 1/4 of bigger circle. Both are concentric, and the circle center is O. POQ, radius of bigger circle, and this is the smaller. This length is x. There are three portion. Capital A marked as equal part, and OQ, the radius of bigger circle, is 3 centimeter. So we have to calculate the length of x. X means difference of bigger circle radius and a smaller circle radius. Bigger circle radius capital R, and a small circle radius small r. So value of x equals capital R minus small r. I have done the complete solution to save time. First, look, let OQ and OP equals capital R. OP and OQ are the radius of bigger circle. So OQ OP equals R equals 3 centimeter. Look, POQ, this part is 1/4 of the bigger circle. Here is the sample. If this is bigger circle, this is smaller circle, and if they are concentric, so this part is 1/4 of the smaller circle, and this part is 1/4 of bigger circle. So 3a, if we plus 3a plus a plus a, 3a is equal 1/4 of bigger circle. We know the area of the circle is pi r square. So what is the value of pi? Pi means 22/7. So from this point 3a equals 1/4 of pi r square. Now come the smaller circle. If this is the radius of smaller circle, small r, then its area is pi r square. Since this part is 1/4 of the smaller circle, that is, this is the smaller circle and this is the 1/4. This is the area of this part, that means a equals 1/4 of pi r square. So the value of a we put up here. So this is the simple calculation. Both side pi and 1/4 is cancelled. So left hand side 3 r square and right hand side r square. R means 3 square. Just look the calculation. 3 square means that is simple. R square equals 3. Divide both side by 3, then you will find r square equals 3. Now try to find the square root of both sides. This is r, and the right hand side root 3. So what is the value of x? This is very simple. X equals capital R minus small r. What is the value of capital R? 3. So 3 minus root 3. Root 3 equals small r. So this is the lengthy process. We have another shortcut way that can be calculated without losing many times. So there is a recap of shortcut. We will apply the ratio properties. Here already we have said they are concentric circles, two concentric circles, and their parts are given here. So if we think bigger part 3a and the smaller part a, then the ratio of area bigger circles total area pi r square, small circles area pi smaller square. This part is 1/4 and this part is 1/4. So the area of bigger portion, the area of small portion, it's clear. Bigger area 3a, look 3a, and the small part is 1a. Very simple. If this equation is clear, then the problem will be solved within 30 seconds. Once again, total area bigger portion 3a, smaller portion a. Bigger portion is 1/4 of the big circle. If you done this, the figure is not to scale, just imagine. So this part a 1/4 of small circle and this part is 1/4. Already I have told. So this is the equation. We can make it very easily. Okay. So what? Cancel this part, r square by r square, and right hand side 3 by 1. Just find the square root of both sides. Capital R minus small r, root 3 by 1. Okay. We have already seen this part. Capital R equals 3. So multiply both sides root 3 to come the point 3. Root 3 into root 3. It's a question. Why I multiply both sides by root 3? We have already root 3. So to make it 3, we have to multiply by root 3. So both sides is multiplied by root 3. Now what will come this? 3 by root 3. That means value of r equals 3, value of small r root 3. We have already gained capital R equals 3. So we may say small r equals root 3. So what is the value of x? 3 minus root 3. This is the shortcut technique. Maybe my language is not so comfortable, but the language of mathematics is international and very easily accessible. Try to understand the main theme or and try to focus on the main problem. At a glance, just this part is 3a and this part is a. So their ratio of area is 3:1. Then square root both side we have got capital R by small r equals root 3 by 1. Root 3 is to convert 3 as 3 centimeter is given. So both sides it multiplied by root 3. So 3 by root 3. It's clear. Already capital R is given 3. So small r is root 3. X is difference between the radius capital R and small r. It's clear. Thank you.